Hello friends, in today's session we will understand mercantile account implementation in Jainam Software. In master setup setting, mercantile accounting is set to yes. I will explain about mercantile accounting. Let me create a loan first. In this loan installment, there are 5 installments are due. So in mercantile accounting, even though the amount is not received, as soon as income is accrued, it will be considered as part of profit and loss statement. So 5 installment into 400, 2000 income will be booked. If I click here, the profit and loss statement will explain these details. I want to see the further statement, so account statement will be opened. Now I search loan number 1 and receive first installment. Due was 6th June, received 6th October. If I see the balance sheet, there is no impact because whatever accrued is considered as part of income. Now I receive the total due. All installments which were accrued are received now. If you see the bank balance and debtors balance, I click refresh. The bank balance is increased and the debtors balance is decreased, but still there is no effect on profit and loss. Now I receive one more installment as advance. In loan summary, this is cash method of accounting where whatever the actual income is shown here, 2400. If I see that in balance sheet, it is still 2000. If I see this on 11th, then it will show 2400. But for today, whatever accrued is considered the income. The 2067 amount received adjusted towards bank and debtors. So in mercantile accounting, the income which is accrued, whether it is received or not received, will be considered as part of the account statements. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.